In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset or change your Bank of America card PIN. If you're locked out of purchases at the register or just want a fresh code, I'll walk you through the official ways to do it, plus a few helpful tips to make the process smooth and secure. First, you have 3 convenient ways to reset or change your PIN. The fastest options are at a Bank of America ATM or through digital banking. At an ATM, insert your card and follow the on-screen prompts to update your PIN. It's quick, straightforward, and takes just a minute. If you prefer to do it from your phone, open the Bank of America mobile app and go to Manage Debit Credit Card. Look for the PIN settings and follow the steps to set a new one. You can do the same from a computer, sign into online banking, head to Manage Debit Credit Card, and locate the PIN management option. Whether you're using the app or online banking, make sure you're on a secure connection and keep your device updated. Now, if you don't know your current PIN, there's an extra step. In that case, you'll need to request a new one by mail or visit a Bank of America financial center. To request by mail, call the customer service number printed on the back of your card or find the official number on the bank's website. Tell them you need a new PIN mailed to you. Just keep in mind that PINs sent by mail typically take several business days to arrive. If you need it sooner, visiting a financial center is a solid alternative. A banker can help you get back on track, and they'll guide you through any verification needed to protect your account. A few quick tips to wrap up. Choose a PIN that's memorable for you but hard for others to guess. Avoid obvious patterns like repeating digits, your birth year, or your address. Don't write it on your card or store it in plain text on your phone. If you change your PIN at an ATM or through digital banking, test it soon after at an ATM to confirm it's working. And if you ever suspect someone else knows your PIN, change it immediately using the same methods we covered. That's it. Use the ATM, the mobile app, under Manage Debit Credit Card or online banking in the same section for the fastest results. If you don't know your current PIN, call the number on your card to have one mailed or visit a financial center. You'll be set in no time.